Hey everyone, today we're going to give you 10 reasons you should book MSC for your next cruise. Come check it out. Hey everyone, John here from MSC Cruises. Welcome back to our channel. If it's the first time you're coming to check us out, we are a small travel agency just trying to give you the best information about cruising possible so that you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. If that sounds good, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please click the little like button. It really helps us out. So today we're going to talk about 10 reasons you should consider booking MSC for your next cruise. We're going to go through each of these. This is just our opinion. We've been on a few MSC cruises now, and we want to give you the lowdown on what we think is going on. So MSC notoriously had some pretty not great reviews for some of their older ships. I don't know why. I wasn't on those ships. I don't know if maybe it was a difference between European and American culture and it took them a little time to catch up. I don't know if most of those cruises were over in Europe and for whatever reason people just didn't like them. I don't know if maybe they used to have a lot of problems and they've done a really good job of cleaning them up. Who knows? But today we're going to give you the best information so that you can make this decision for yourself. Number one, you love coffee. The free coffee on MSC Cruises is the best coffee I've ever had on a cruise ship. I don't particularly care for Starbucks coffee. I'll drink it if it's in like a latte or some fancy drink. But for the most part, I drink black coffee. So anytime I go on a cruise, I'm a little kind of picky about the coffee. I generally don't spend money on specialty coffee. I will just drink the black coffee. So of all the cruise lines, the coffee on MSC is the best. Not a huge surprise. It's an Italian cruise line. There are coffee machines everywhere. They also have really cool blue mugs that are very nice. Don't steal them. So number two, they are a growing company. They're the largest privately owned cruise ship company in the world. They are continuing to grow over the next few years. They have several more ships coming out. Euribia just came out. MSC World Europa just came out. And then next year, MSC World America comes out. And then there's more ships after that. They've also announced a flagship luxury brand called Explora. There's 6 of those ships coming out. So MSC is not going anywhere. You're going to see amazing new ships coming out with amazing, really amazing itineraries. And you can go anywhere. So let's get to the next one. 3, you enjoy a little diversity with the people on your cruise ship. Generally speaking, if you go out of America, you see the same people. If you leave out of New York, you're going to see the same cruisers. If you leave out of Miami, you see basically the same cruisers that leave from there. New York's a little different and edgier if you leave out of the New York, which we leave out of New York and New Jersey a lot. So we see those crowds. If you go on MSC, the one thing that you will notice is they're very European friendly because they are an Italian cruise brand. They make announcements in several languages. That bothers some people. I think it's really cool. The cruise director staff and the staff of the ship speaks a lot of different languages. You will then see by that a lot of people on the ship are coming from different countries. So you'll see a lot of Italians. You'll see more Spanish, more French, all of these different people that are choosing MSC because they cater to their needs a little bit better. So that's one of the things I really like, a diversity of nations, so to speak, of the crew and of the clientele. Next one up is you love the greatest hits. I think one of the things that MSC does is they look at what everybody else is doing and they try to do that and improve on it. So you want a promenade? Meravigilia's got a promenade. You want specialty dining? It's very similar to the specialty dining of other cruise ships. You want water slides? You want a dry slide that from the back of the ship? It looks very similar to the Oasis class dry slide. So they do the greatest hits really well, and everything's great. It's a fun experience. You're going to feel very much at home, whether you've been on Norwegian, Carnival, or Royal Caribbean. You're going to feel that on MSC. Number 5, you could go anywhere in the world. And I know this is true with most cruise lines, but you're talking about a European cruise line that has tons of ships in Europe. They're getting more and more ships in the U.S. Right now we have Meraviglia, we have Seaside, we have Seashore, we have Seascape. And there's probably a few more. I'm missing something, but there's more coming, and it's going to continue to grow, and you can really go anywhere. So for that reason, I think that's a great reason to try MSC. Number 6, it's an amazing value. If you look at the cruise prices right now, they continue to rise to the point where it's getting a little bit ridiculous. We're going on a cruise in a few weeks, and generally speaking, we do solo cabins. So generally speaking, I can go under $2,000 for a week on most cruise lines, on most cruises. For this upcoming trip, I booked Meg late for the trip, and it was $3,200 on NCL Joy. $3,200 for an inside cabin for one person. So on MSC, not so much. You're going to get a really good deal. And that's another reason I think you should try it. It's going to be the biggest value right now in cruising. Number 7, going right along with that, Suite Life is obtainable. If you've seen our videos, we've done a few videos about the Yacht Club. The level of service in the Yacht Club is incredible. It's on par with the Haven from Norwegian. And if you go on MSC right now, you can get a Yacht Club suite. I'm booking a suite today for 4 people. That's a little right around $8,000 for 4 people in a suite, in a really nice suite in the Yacht Club. Sounds like a lot of money, but it's not. If you remember, I just said I just booked Meg for $3,000 in an inside cabin for one person. So Suite Life is more attainable on MSC than it is anywhere else. Number 8, they will match your level. They're the only cruise line that will match your loyalty level at whatever other cruise line. If it's Royal, if it's NCL, whatever it is, they will match that. That's an incredible option. The perks aren't amazing yet on MSC, but I'm sure that they're going to continue to upgrade that program and continue down the path of doing that. Also, if you book a suite, I forgot to mention, you get the drink package and internet and all of those other things. So that value is even better over there. Number 9, Ocean Cay, their private island. They have a beautiful private island. It's a little sunny right now because there's very young trees there, but it's really nice. If you stay in the suite, you have a private beach and a restaurant on the island. If you are just staying in a standard balcony inside or ocean view, the island is beautiful. There are plenty of things to do. It looks really new because it is. The shops are beautiful. There's a tram that goes around the island. The food on the island is great. There's food trucks. It's really, really, really nice. Is it perfect day? It's not perfect day, but it's really nice. It's very comparative to Great Stirrup Cay, which is the NCL island, or Harvest Cay, or any of those, Amber Cove, any of those. It's really, really, really nice. Nicer than Labadee, I would say. So number 10, our final reason you should book MSC for your next cruise is the pizza and the pasta. Do you like pizza? Do you like pasta? Who doesn't? It's amazing on MSC. At the buffet, I'm not talking like crazy specialty dining. I'm just saying you go to the buffet, you can get pizza, and it's legit pizza. It's not like Sorrento's, which is like fine for a cruise, right? It's a good drunk late night snack. Angelo's on Princess is very good. This pizza on MSC is excellent. You could order it room service. They have an MSC pie, which is fantastic. There's like arugula and garlic. So good. Pepperoni. And then the pasta in the buffet is amazing. Every night they have amazing pastas. They have all different kinds that you could try. There's a seafood pasta. They'll have marinara. They'll have all your favorite. You can make your own pasta. It is literally the best pizza and pasta I've ever had on a cruise ship. So those are 10 reasons. Have you been on MSC? Do you have another reason? If you've been on MSC and it was a while ago and you didn't enjoy your experience, I understand. This is positive and uplifting here. They seem to be getting a lot better than they were. We've been on several cruises. We've had amazing experiences. We had no issues with any of the food, free food or specialty dining. No issues with the staff, no issues with anything. Everything was wonderful. So let us know what you think in the comments below. Try to be nice. And we will see y'all tomorrow. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.